too.
Yeah, who got a fucking bird? Shut
We
that
just
bird up,
my
bro.
boner.
Shut that fucking bird up before I fucking strangle that shit. Okay, here we go, team. Here we go. Get the bread.
People are talking us from their team.
Shut that trash ass music up.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Oh my
This ain't trash.
god,
That's not your
Your
black.
name's literally Junebug.
Yeah, what's up?
It's a fucking stupid ass name.
Kanye East, what the fuck is that? Yeah, your dog shit, Kanye.
Yeah, I'm down shit. Who's fucking dead? Who's
Look at
fucking
you,
dead?
you fucking stupid.
Yeah, I can't fucking hear you with your fucking shitty ass mic. Sounds like a fucking microwave in the street, bro.
Dude, it's because he keeps typing on his keyboard like an idiot.
What?
What? Then he mutes himself again.
You tweaking.
Yeah, you hear his
the
key.
weekend.
It's push to talk.
You're for a good mic.
Do you have brain damage?
Oh, you're the kid with the
Dude,
bird.
it's-
Oh my god. This kid has a bird.
Wait, who's
I
got
have
the
brain
brain?
damage. You're definitely like a fat 13-year-old who's just in the basement all day.
Wait,
Your mommy and you're like,
Kanye,
"Mommy,
Kanye.
Yeah.
Yo, Cuba, shut up! You fucking bird. Shut your fucking. I'm gonna fucking shoot your bird. Shut your stupid. Yo, your bird.
It's Molly with the fucking weed.
Wally.
What is
Who?
Molly
Molly,
face.
Molly, is that your
You're
bird?
fucking
Yo,
retarded.
Molly, is that your bird? Am I playing with the bird right now? On God. Come on, Molly. Let me hear that bird speak. What that bird did. What that bird did.
I gotta say,
Yeah, no,
But
dude.
it did.
Only hit marker. Only hit marker.
Only hit marker. Only hit marker.
Yeah.
Only hit marker. What? This kid fucking chasing around. Wow. Who's sucking on your balls? Bro, you got that, nigga.
Christ.
Oh my god, that's so brutal.
Alright, some kid do a smoke, so.
Yeah, I'm watching like
Nice jump.
Yo, Kanye, he's under there.
You know? You lied to me, kid. Go
I
fuck
just
it.
went under
Dude,
there.
he's under there. What do you mean?
What do you mean? Bro, fucking
Dude,
yo,
he's
fucking
under there. He's
Oh my-
under there.
Shut up!
He's trying to make you say fucking underwear, dude. Make you say
Underwear? Underwear?
Dude,
Underwear?
he's under
Underwear?
there. What do you mean?
Oh, your mama got pussy lips. Shut your stupid ass
To the
up.
left.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at Molly go. Shit.
Yo, yo. Yoshi. Yoshi.
Shut your bitch ass up. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
Let's hear the birds, Molly.
Bro, you ain't funny. Shut up, kid. Shut your stupid ass up.
Shut the fuck up, you're Mexican.
Bro, you're literally a fat shit. You're just in your basement. You're like, Mommy, bring me some apple juice, please. Really fat fuck. You're probably like 200 pounds at 13.
Oh,
No way, bro. He
Yo,
saw
shut your
me,
bitch
but that's MCM.
Yo, man.
Shimmy.
Hey, man.
Oh yeah. Keep pressing those keys. Keep pressing those keys. Bro, I'm so fucking good. I'm 9-0. I haven't died yet. Fucking give me a blowjob right now.
dude facing the wall.
Watch this fucking kill me. I didn't even get a kill for this. Oh god.
Again. I killed him again. What the fuck is he?
Oh my god, you're so cool.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh my god, Jubal, you fucking suck. You fucking choking on your own fucking fat. Bro, you choke on your own fucking. Bro, you got too many calories in your fucking. Why do you sound like? Bro, shut your bird up, Molly.
I can't, bro. He's
Yo,
hungry.
Huh, Molly? Oh, you speaking now?
He's hungry, bro.
Go feed him.
That's actually kind of
Go
funny.
feed him.
Bro, I'm gonna fucking eat him.
Nah.
What's his name?
I don't fucking know.
I don't fucking. Oh my god, you just got fucking raped. Good funny. How the fuck did I get the bomb to that?
I think we won.
Me too.
I'm not too sure though.
Oh, you fuck!
Good choke.
Shut your bitch ass up, bro! What are you
You're
fucking
mostly
doing?
choking.
I'm carrying
Bro.
you! I'm not letting you fucking
Really
choke
show
you!
his big fat cock.
I just want more kills. I just want more kills. I just
Kanye
want more
knows
fucking
you
kills.
don't.
Shut your stupid.
Bro, you didn't get a trade.
You annoying fellas!
What the hell are you even saying, dude?
I fucked up the next bitch!
Your dad's gonna come over here and beat your ass. Like, shut up.
Now he's facing the other way.
This fucking Juba cannot snipe. What?
Damn, you are Mexican. I hear it.
Mexican, bro. I am white as fuck. As a compliment,
Yeah,
bro.
you're
That's a compliment. Bro, your mom's in the background, bro. Bless you, Jamal. Bless you. Bless you, mom.
Yo, an R.
He's behind me.
Go right.
Damn.
Okay.
I'm back there. Oh, you died?
Oh my fucking titties.
You need to shut up. Yo, where are you from?
Massachusetts.
Massachusetts.
Okay, you took a really long time to think
Yeah.
about that, so you're definitely not from fucking Massachusetts.
Cam from Florida.
He's like flirting with you guys.
Yeah,
Fight
son.
vampire.
Oh my god, he's gonna fucking shot
Yeah.
me!
Combined forces, we need to
Okay,
win.
what's up?
We need
What's
to
what you need, man?
Molly, yeah,
Combined
yeah,
forces, man. We need to
yeah.
win.
Let's not
Yeah,
argue.
with
the power of
Come
friendship.
on, guys. We got this. We
Yeah,
got
this
this,
one,
okay?
let's
You
Kill the-
are a retard.
Oh, retard. Probably fucking struggle. Okay, Nick. Okay, Nick.
Bro, the dude's probably shitting himself right now. It's 3-1.
Ah, the game, baby.
Bro, we almost fucking lost though. I jinxed it like 3 rounds before we actually won.